How to add phone device for auto verification on Google account. So if you want to add your phone device for auto verification on your Google account, then first you need to open up your Google. Once you open your Google, tap on the search bar and then search for account.google.com/phone. And here, let me tell you one thing, that you need to select your Google account. So you can simply go for the upper right, which has that profile, and then select the Google account in which you would like to add your phone device for auto verification. So simply choose your Google account, and once you've chosen, now here you will have the auto verification status, right? So you need to simply turn that on. So for now I'm using Vivo T1, so we can simply turn that on. And once you've turned that on, you will add your phone device for auto verification on Google. So that's how you can add your device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.